Hello, this is Naveed Mukhtar from ZR Visas, UK. ZR Visas is a global immigration firm who has been helping clients since 2006 and specialized in UK visa applications. In this video, we will talk about UK spouse visa and the basic requirements you should meet to make this application. We will also discuss the processing time for these applications, general list of the documents, and the basic steps you can take to avoid the refusal of your visa application. When we talk about spouse visa, spouse is quite obvious that you are a married partner of your UK sponsor. There is one category which is called unmarried partner. In case of unmarried partner, you should live with your partner for at least 2 years before making visa application. Unmarried partner visa applications are much more complex, and very detailed and consistent and continuous evidence is required to prove that you are in a genuine relationship and you have lived together without any breaks. Spouse visa applications are divided into 3 different categories. The first one is applications which are made from outside UK. They are called spouse visa entry clearance applications. For example, if somebody is making their visa application from USA, from Canada, from Europe, Middle East, from Asia. The second option is that if you are already in the UK and you would like to extend your stay as a partner of a British citizen, or you are a dependent or partner of a person who has indefinite leave to remain, or pre-settled status or settled status in the UK. And the third option for spouse visa is that if you are in the UK on UK spouse visa, which is valid for 6 months, and you wish to switch from fiancé visa to spouse visa, or you are on a long-term visa category and you would like to switch from your current visas to spouse visa as a partner of a British citizen or a person settled in the country. Let's start from the cost of the application. The current cost of the spouse visa application from outside UK and inside UK has 2 main parts to it. The first one is called home office fee, and second one is immigration health surcharge, which all the applicants has to pay whether they are applying from inside UK or from outside UK. Let's talk about outside UK applications first. The home office fee for applications made from abroad is £1,523 at this time, and immigration health surcharge IHS is also payable for 3 years at the rate of £624 per year. So that makes £1,872 for IHS. When a fee is paid using a UK bank account, there will be foreign currency charges added by the bank. It really varies on the card you are using or the bank. and it also depends the strength of your currency. One aspect you should keep in mind that when we prepare and submit application for our clients, there is no choice to select a currency of your choice. For example, applications made in Canada, they have to pay visa fee in US dollars, not in Canadian dollars. Another example, that people who are making applications from India, they will be making their payments in local currency, Indian rupees. So the average total cost for applications from outside UK is £3,650 approximate. Now we talk about visa fee for applications from inside UK. When we say inside UK, it means that people who are switching their applications, switching their visa from inside UK, from one visa to another visa, that is called application from inside UK. And also the applications which are extending their visas. So these two applications are considered applications from inside UK. The total cost of visa extension or switching application is £2,608 in total. This does not include biometrics appointment fee. Most of the time, our clients do get free appointments between 3 to 4 weeks time. The breakdown of the fee from inside UK is: you pay immigration health surcharge for 2.5 years at the rate of £624 per year. And you also pay home office fee, that is £1,048. So that makes a total of £2,608. Moving on to the processing time, which has been under quite a lot of discussion in recent months. The premium service or the fast track service has been suspended since last many months, and the processing time unfortunately has been increased from 12 weeks to 24 weeks, which equates to almost 6 months. Though in practice, the processing time is a bit quicker for some of the applications, and a lot of our clients has received their decisions between 4 and 5 months. But this is not for all the applicants. Complex applications can take much longer than expected time if Home Office need to make more inquiries about your applications. So this is the processing time. For inside UK applications, the processing time is 8 to 10 weeks from the date you attend your biometrics appointment. Though the premium service is available within the country, if you are switching your application or extending your stay as a partner, you can pay £800 extra to the Home Office and get a decision on your visa application within 1 working day of attending biometrics appointment. Just like other add-on services, premium services are not guaranteed to be available all the time. When we do make applications for our clients, which we do on a very regular basis, we always let our clients know all the available options, and then they can make a selection of their choice. Now, moving forward, we will see and discuss the basic requirements for a UK spouse visa. The first requirement is the relationship. Unless you are applying for an unmarried partner visa, you should be legally married to your partner and at the time of the application should be above the age of marriage in the UK, which is 18 years. If you are applying for unmarried partner visa, then you should provide the continuous evidence that you lived with your partner for at least 2 years before the date of the application. Relationship evidence is one of the most important part of the spouse visa application. And majority of the applications are refused due to the insufficient evidence on the relationship side or not meeting the financial requirements. We will discuss the financial requirements in the later section of this video. When we talk about relationship, there is no hard and fast rule that how you can prove your relationship. Every case is different. A detailed assessment of everyone's circumstances is required to make an assessment that which documents or evidence they can provide to prove that they are in a genuine and subsisting relationship and they have intentions to live together in the UK. Talking about income requirements, there are many ways applicants can meet the financial requirements. They can meet the requirements through their employment, and they should be earning at least £18,600 a year for at least last 6 months. If their income is variable, they might have to provide their pay slips and bank statements for a longer period of time. If you are self-employed or a director of the company, the rules are not simple as compared to the employment. Your income will be taken into account for the last full financial year, and for companies, it should be the last full financial year for the company as declared in their company's tax return, CT 600. If you are a director of a company and you are taking salary from the company and dividends, care should be taken when using this income to satisfy the financial requirements for spouse visa application. As detailed documentation is required when you are director of a company and you are drawing a salary or dividends. There is another way to meet the financial requirement if you have certain amount of savings in your bank account. The current threshold for saving is £62,500. The funds should be declared and source of the funds or the savings must be clearly established. Home Office has very strict policy when we talk about financial requirements and the documents. If you do not provide the documents as mentioned in the immigration rules, even though you may have much more income than the required amount, your application is likely to be refused on the grounds that you did not provide the documents required under the immigration rules. Therefore, if you don't feel confident that which documents you need and the specified format required, we recommend you consult an immigration firm or an advisor who are regulated, just like us, to get a professional advice. So this was the financial requirement. Moving forward to the next section, that is English language requirement. Some countries are exempt from English language requirement. Countries include USA, Canada, and some other majority speaking countries like Jamaica. For most of the countries, you will need an English language test, at least at CEFR level A1 or above. If you have a degree at a graduate level or a master's level or PhD, you may be able to use your degree if you have a certificate from ECCTIS, formerly called UK NERIC. So this was the English requirement. Most of the applicants has to prove that they meet the English language requirement. You need A-level test when you are making an application for entry clearance or from outside UK to join your partner from abroad. And when you are extending your stay, the level of the test you need is A2 at CEFR level. Remember, only approved tests are accepted by UK visas and immigration. If you have any other tests which are not in the approved list, they are not likely to be accepted, which may result in refusal of your application. Some countries do require a TB test. Not for all the countries you need a TB test report. We recommend not to go for the TB test too soon, as TB test reports are only valid for 6 months. Though the English tests are valid for 2 years. So this was a summary of the basic requirements of UK visa spouse application. Keeping in view the processing time of 24 weeks, we recommend that you get the professional advice and support for your applications if you think you are struggling or you need a help with any aspects of the applications. Not only a refused application can cause you the stress, you can also lose a lot of money in the form of visa applications, which are non-refundable. In most cases, immigration health surcharge is refundable, but not the visa application fee and any biometrics appointment fee. Making another fresh application can take another 6 to 8 months time, including 24 weeks processing time. Therefore, it is very important that you prepare your application in best possible way. Thank you very much for watching the video. We hope that you have the basic idea about spouse visa applications and a better and clear understanding. We have a lot more information on our website, zrvisas.com. Or if you search ZR Visas Spouse Visa, it will take you to the Spouse Visa page where you can read more information about Spouse Visa and see the services we offer to our clients. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you have any questions, you can contact us on WhatsApp, by email, or you can send an inquiry using our website. Thank you again. All the best.